Hey, good people. So, who do you go to when you need to vent? Or who do you go to when you need, like you have a problem, a situation? Who do you go to? Who is the first person you go to? I'm going to give you a second. Okay, you got that together? That's part one. Okay, part two of this equation is, what is their response when you say what you say to that said person? You got that? Okay, part three. Is it positive? Is it judgmental? You got that together? Now ask yourself, is it beneficial to your situation or not? Next time, go to God first. He gonna help you. No judgment.